Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to TQM Travels. Today, Lisa and I are spending our first of 2 days in Acadia National Park up here in Maine. Lisa, what is the first thing we're doing today?
Oh, it's not sleeping in for sure.
Yeah, we woke up pretty early at 7 o'clock. The sun was already well in the sky at that point, but we're doing what is considered one of the scariest hikes here in Acadia National Park. We're doing the Beehive Trail. Should be a bit of adventure, so let's go ahead and get started on this hike. All right, so we're coming up to the tricky part of the hike here. I say that, but we're already like scrambling over some slippery rocks. But there's iron rung ladders and weird bridges and some exposed cliff faces. So how excited are you, Lisa?
My exposed face. Lisa. Good job. You look so well balanced up there though. So these ladders and rungs, they look scary in pictures and stuff, but they make you feel more secure and safe, right, Lisa? You're very firm.
Yeah, they I think that was the trickiest part. Hopefully we'll see if there's more. Yeah, it was fun, honestly.
Made it to the Beehive summit. Here are the views from the summit. It's quite spectacular, really breezy up here. What did you think of the hike, Lisa?
It was very vertical.
Yeah, very vertical. Pretty tricky in some areas, but we both made it okay. Super fun, honestly. The hike back, I think we're taking there's sort of a backside way down to what's called...
taking the backside way.
There's a trail called the Bowl. We're gonna be heading that way too. So it should be flatter, no rungs or ladders. So let's head down. We'll see you at the bottom. Here you can tell fall is coming. When we planned this trip, we were kind of hoping to do some fall foliage, but
some intense leaf peeping.
yeah, unfortunately we came a little too early. It's just the start of fall right now, but there are some leaves changing colors, and honestly it's a good time to come because I'm sure it gets even busier, right?
It's pretty gentle.
Yeah, it is a Friday today in the morning, so crowds are down right now, which is nice. I'm sure tomorrow it'll be a little busier, but so far we're enjoying being fairly alone out here in the park. To the bowl. Wasn't too long of a hike. Pretty slippery though. Very pretty by the little pond here though. All right, well, we have finished up the Beehive Trail. Lisa and I are here at Sand Beach now. Lisa, do you know why it's called Sand Beach?
You already tried this one.
What was it? It's because there's sand on the beach. What did you think of Beehive Trail, Lisa?
I think it didn't even sting me that bad.
Definitely come early though, because when we got to the bottom at the crossroad, where you could look up towards the Beehive Trail. There's just a line of people going up really slowly, so.
It's not one of those things where you want people waiting on you because you want to take your time.
Yeah, we were able to stop, take photos and videos and stuff, so definitely come early if you can. It's totally worth it. The hike was really fun, and it was definitely tricky at parts, but people made it out to be a lot harder than it really was, I think.
But it wasn't easy.
Yeah, it's not easy, but and also people say that taking the bowl trail back down is so much easier, and yeah, it doesn't have the ladders. It doesn't. Yeah, but it is.
But it's not an easy trail.
It's not an easy trail. It's really uneven, and it rained a lot yesterday, so it was really slippery at parts too.
But still, take it down.
Yeah, for sure. It's definitely the way.
Water.
It's definitely the way to go. So we're gonna hang out here at the beach for just a little bit along the ocean, and then we're gonna head into Bar Harbor for some lunch. So catch up with you later. Oh, watch out, Lisa!
Very cold.
Very cold.
But not like bitter cold, but yeah, I wouldn't
swim. Well, after all of our hiking, we've certainly worked up an appetite, right, Lisa?
Oh, I certainly were good.
So we have taken a little pit stop here at Rays Lobster. You can see our tray of food here. We don't even have our lobsters yet. This tray is already full of food. We got some delicious looking clam chowder here.
I'm not eating it, yes I am.
Yeah.
It's getting colder by
Go
the
for
second.
it, go for it. Tell me how it is. Better or worse than yesterday?
Better.
All right, let me give it a little taste here as well. Oh, this has a lot more stuff in it, it seems like.
Warm.
Ooh, that's fantastic.
I didn't know.
We also have a whoopie pie, blueberry pie, some potato salad. Should have a lot of delicious food. And then, of course, some giant lobsters coming up as well.
Oh, look at it. It's all wiggle it. I'm sorry,
Look at these giant lobsters we got. Lisa, how excited are you?
I'm super excited.
Look how big they are.
I see that. Are you ready to eat
Oh my God,
them?
I'm so ready.
Look at it. Yes.
Delicious?
Look really hot though.
Ooh, there's a lot of meat in there.
You gotta watch out for the more liquid, if there's any left. Oh yeah, there you go, there you go.
Oh no, I got it stuck in there.
Get it unstuck. What are you doing?
Struggling.
You're so cute when you struggle.
It's okay. Just go through it.
Okay.
Look at the baby claw meat inside.
Okay, you got a jumbo, don't even. Baby. Just
Ooh. All right, put a little lemon. Get the butter ready. Look at this little claw.
you want to take small bites, it's very hot. It's really good though.
Oh, super good.
Okay, I'm gonna eat mine now.
Lisa, look how big this tail meat is.
Oh, yours is gonna be even bigger.
I know. All right, tell me how this tail meat is, Lisa.
It's delicious. It is like a giant crawfish.
Yeah? Which one's easier to peel, though?
I mean, a crawfish.
But it's so much bigger. So crazy.
This one's more worth your while, though. It's like the waist on the
I
That's
got
not
it.
your thumb, but okay.
Boom.
But you probably want to pull the guts off.
Here's the aftermath. This is getting the last little dregs from the legs.
Call me the ocean, because I'm full of lobster.
Oh my God, this was so delicious. Lisa, what do you think's better between
This.
like the boiled lobster versus lobster roll? You already
I
knew.
love a lobster roll, but it's bready, and I love a crawfish, and it's not bready.
The
It's
lobster
like a
was,
giant
oh,
crawfish.
it was so good. Oh man, They say that they boil the lobsters in seawater, which really did make a big difference because it was nice and naturally salty. I don't know if that's just a Maine thing or not, or just here, but regardless, it's delicious. Oh my God. And it's not like super filling, right? Like it's not like I'm full, but I'm not like stuffed. And the other good thing about this place is it's only like 15 minutes away from the park, so it's not too far out of the way. We're actually going to be heading back in for another couple of little hikes. I think we're going to head to Jordan Pond first, so we'll see you guys there. Okay, we are finally back in Acadia National Park. The wind has significantly picked up.
As we knew it would, because there was a weather warning this morning that it's going to be like up to 55 miles per hour at midnight.
Yep. But you can see behind us here, we are here at Jordan Pond. This is a nice picturesque pond surrounded by several small little granite mountains here in the park. So we're taking the Jordan Pond Trail, just a little ring road to walk along the pond, and then afterwards, we're gonna check out the Jordan Pond house to get some popovers. So let's enjoy the hike along the pond. Alright, so we're probably about halfway done with the Jordan Lake Trail, but we decided that we're going to take a little detour to go vertical.
Again.
Who are we?
Giving us
We're going to go check out Bubble Rock. So it's about a little less than half a mile up. So we're going to go check that out and then come back down and finish off the Jordan Pond Trail. So let's go see this bubble. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, this hike might have been a bit of a mistake, huh, Lisa?
It always is.
Oh my God, it is so tiring. It's just rock stairs, uneven rock steps all the way up so far. Oh my gosh, look at this though. Some nice views on the way up of Jordan Pond. So, we're just so tired after doing the Beehive Trail earlier today. Whew. Wow, I don't know how I did that.
I don't know how you did it either, but I got it on video.
Oh, up here at the top, Lisa.
We did it.
You can feel the wind, it's back. It was gone for most of the hike because we were right along the cliff. But look at these views. Totally worth it. Lisa thought this was the bubble.
I did not.
It's not the bubble though. We still have to get there. Here it is, Lisa. Was it worth it, Lisa? All right, Lisa, we've done it. Well, we've made it down the Bubble Divide Trail. Pretty tricky still, not as nearly as bad as the incline. It had some uneven rocks and some slippery areas, but now we're cruising on the Jordan Pond Trail to finish it up and try to get to the Jordan Pond house before it closes in a little less than an hour. We'll see if we make it in time. right, well, we made it to the Jordan Pond house at 4:45, but it was too late. They don't accept walk-ins that late. So luckily, we're still here for another day tomorrow. We'll try to pop over for a popover. Oh, that was an accident.
I imagined it was like a stand and they would just sell them to you. I didn't think it was a sit-down restaurant.
Yeah, I actually thought it was gonna be more of a stand with outdoor seating and stuff too.
That's what I imagined.
So
Why would you have to make an appointment?
we'll see if we can swing by tomorrow and try them out. But what did you think of the pond trail?
We ran it.
That second half, it was really pretty.
It was pretty.
I was a little bummed that we didn't get to stop, but I was like, no, Lisa's like, she was being really nice about it. She's like, do you need to stop and take photos and everything? I was like, no, Lisa, you gotta go. But it's really pretty. It's actually interesting because the trail sort of has two halves on each side. We went counterclockwise, so that second half was like these planks and boardwalks. It was really pretty, right along the side of the lake. It was super nice looking.
Yeah.
That bubble trail just took it all out of us though. We were so tired.
And then the rock night round.
So we are going to head over to our last destination for today here in the park. We're gonna check out Thunderhole. It's actually close to where we were earlier for the Beehive Trail. It's not high tide right now, so it might not look super cool, but it might be a really pretty place for sunset. So we're gonna.
The wind's picking up.
Yeah.
It helps like that.
That's true. It's very windy as well. So we're gonna check that out and we'll see you there. Okay, we are here at our final stop for today. We are at Thunderhole. This is sort of a pretty turbulent area for the tide. It's supposed to be especially turbulent at high tide, which it's not, unfortunately. That's gonna be like 8 o'clock or something. Tonight it'll be a little too dark. But we figured it might be a nice area to check out sunset. And Lisa, what do we do this time?
Lobster rolls.
Lobster rolls.
Two
This
types.
time we went back to see Rays because it's so close and convenient to the park here. Got them to go this time. What kind you got here first, Lisa?
This is just butter.
So no mayo on this one. How's the lobster though?
I mean, it's good.
Nice. And look at the size of this one. Pretty hefty pieces and chunks. Claw meat. Yeah. I'll try the one with the mayo real quick. Oh, fantastic. You can hear Thunderhole going in the distance, so we're gonna enjoy these lobster rolls and then we'll check it out in just a little bit.
It's only 7:30.
Yeah, it's not that late. Oh,
We climbed 2 mountains.
Lisa, what was the elevation you found that we did for both?
Oh, one of them was 508 and one was 492 for a grand total of 1,000 feet of elevation gain.
So much climbing. It's
492 of that on a whim.
That's
Well,
true.
let's just take this trail. It's only half a mile, it said.
Oh my god, that was a mistake. But it was a lot of fun. Both trails were spectacular. And the lake trail was pretty fun too, right?
We ran to the end of the half.
Yeah, we tried to make it.
The poppers.
Hopefully we
Didn't
can
even get any.
hopefully we can get some tomorrow, but if not, it's not a big deal. Thunderhole was super cool. I'm glad that we got to see the thunderous sounds of the water.
You don't see sounds.
That's true. What did you think of the lobsters today, Lisa, for lunch and
We
dinner?
had double lobster. And that's not just 2 lobsters. We had lobster twice.
The boiled lobsters, that was the play. Those were so good. We're definitely going to try to get some tomorrow at a different lobster house. So
looking forward to that. That's all we're doing tonight because we have to get to bed early because
We're
tomorrow
tired, but also
we are tired. But tomorrow we are waking up at like 4 in the morning. We have reservations to go check out sunrise at Cadillac Mountain. We also have reservations to check out sunset at Cadillac Mountain, so we'll be there twice.
Okay, but I need the fast fingers on the morning ones.
Yep, that one goes out very quick.
You gotta be ready.
Yeah, you gotta
be ready.
Yep, we'll talk about that more tomorrow,
Yeah.
I'm sure, but
I was ready.
what a fun day. A lot of strenuous, interesting hikes, delicious food. That's going to be it for this episode though, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't, we would greatly appreciate it if you would consider subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this content, and ring that notification bell so you can be notified when our next episode comes out. And until next time, cheers. The prettiest thing on the hike.